Hello, everybody. My name is Diane Delatorre, and I am the web designer, among many other things, for Step Up. And I am happy to be here to share with you the very easy process of finding what you need on our Step Up Teacher Resources store. And right now, we have over 200 resources for you to look through. And I'm sure we'll continue to add to that. Okay, so quick walkthrough of our store. What I want to share with you first is what a product looks like, because that will inform you on how to search for what you need. So let's just say, let's just go ahead and open up Seed Dispersal. Every product on our store will have a title, and you will see the price. And every product is delivered to you in a PDF format, and it will have a description for you. But if you scroll down, you will see the related standards for that product. Every product on our website is related to a standard. So we have Missouri Learning Standards, we have Common Core standards that it's linked to, and for science specifically, we also have Next Generation Science standards. So that's kind of important that you know that, so when you are looking for something, you know how to look for it. So I'm going to go back to the store. And there's two ways for you to search for what you would like. In the search bar here, you can just type generally what you would like to look for. So if you are doing a unit in your class right now on story elements, you could just type that in and you can search for it. It's going to bring up every product that actually has the word story and elements in it. So you can kind of scroll through and look for what you want. You will notice that this one here is labeled as free. When you see that free coral banner, those are the free items, which are very nice. We have many free items on our store for you to take advantage of. Or you could go back and let's just say you are a first grade teacher and you are teaching story elements, and you know your standard, which you probably do. You can actually type in the actual story element standard for that and search for it. And then again, it will bring it up for you. Anything with that standard is something you can use. So it looks like Story Elements is a good one to have some free items to download. So it will give you everything with that standard, which is really, really nice. And look at all that is just related to that standard right here. Okay, so searching is a great way to find what you need. The second way is just by filtering. So we have it all filtered by these categories up here. So you can just kind of look around and say, hey, I'm an elementary school teacher. So it will filter it by elementary. Then I can go one step further and I say, I just want everything for math. And then you have elementary math. And if you are very specific, you want to do it by teacher source, resource, you can do, maybe I just want a bundle. Let's see what bundles we have here. And it shows you all the bundles. Maybe I want to see, do I have any free bundles? No, no free bundles. So I can actually click that X to go out of it and start over if I want. So filters is kind of a nice way to just generally filter it down. If you want to be more specific, type in that standard right there to find what you need. So those are the two ways to find what you need on the teacher store. When you purchase anything on our teacher store, you will get an immediate download link, and an email will also be sent to you with that download link. So the last thing I want to talk about is if you have any problems whatsoever with your download, or if you have any questions, you can email us at teacherstore@stepupconsultingservices.com. It is right here. Or you can click the Contact Us button, and we will take care of it. That email goes directly to me. I am the creator of this site. So I would be happy to help you with any issues or questions that you may have. And we hope you enjoy all the wonderful high quality products from StepUp. Thanks for this quick tutorial on the Teacher website store.